Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. I'm gonna start on the 1 hour chart today because of course there is anyway a lot of to explain what happened yesterday and what is gonna happen. So as you can see in our deep analysis, Bitcoin directly gave us an answer even before the Monday really starts. So he chose this one, of course, as a probable expanding flat ABC finishing a deep wave C, which is not finished yet, because so far we have finished this one. The WXY in the magenta has finished in a zigzag kind of, like finished. If we have a zigzag here, we can say, okay, it's done. While if we have, of course, because we touched the 886 here of this wave 1, which it was supposed to be this scenario, which is bullish, touching the 886 here is really dramatic, I would say. It can, well, as you know, always the danger zone that I always talk about it between the green box of a wave 2 mean bullish scenario and the danger zone and the 886, which is of course invalidations. There is always this tiny difference between a bullish and a bearish scenario, and the price hits this 886, and of course, I would say there is no impulse anymore. The only case scenario, which Daniel remind me now with the 5th of August, when touching the 886, the only case scenario bullish that it can be is an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Thank you, Daniel, by the way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal, probably, but when it comes like this, it is 50-50. It's still not so clear as bullish as you might think. You think that it happened yesterday. Of course, a CME gap has opened here, but don't forget that we have now double CME gap. We have one at the 77,000, which I'm gonna show you in the short bull run later on. So there is a gap, but I'm not saying that it's gonna close today, tomorrow, or next week. Okay, we cannot take this as a trap. Okay, so basically, I'm still looking for lower, of course, first because we touched the 886, and that because as well, if we are impulsive toward the downside in a 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5, you still need a wave 5. So to reach this wave C, our scenario, and to finish with it a wave 4, in case we are still bullish, of course, because you can be bullish from here still. We need, of course, to finish this one, A, B, C for wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, I think that we are going to 1.618 and 1.38. Now the problem is, will be an impulse. Okay, let's mark this as an impulse. Now the scenarios are, it can be of course a trap here that, okay, it says A, B, and a C expanding flat and then moving for higher. But then moving for higher, and then tell us, oh no, that was a 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5 bearish market, we're done. And this was your 4, 5 in a short bull run. And short bull run meaning this, we have topped for a wave 5 here after 3, 4, 5 in the yellow. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. And then wave 2, of course, formation, which is gonna be the trap. Like, oh, 3 waves, expanding flat, moving for 130K again. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. So only these scenarios now are insights. If we go a little bit on the daily to see what happened, and I'm gonna remove the possibilities. On the daily, you see here, okay, if we have this very long WXY finishing this wave 4, then after this you have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish, of course, your wave 3 in the yellow, and then ABC, of course, and then one more impulse that we saw, and we think that this was 1, 2, but it wasn't. Now Bitcoin tells us this was not a 1, 2. So this is what it might happen, and we will probably expect that this is A, B, and C. Very low possibility because this looks like an impulse and not like a wave B, by the way. Therefore, give higher possibility for a finished impulse. If we finish impulse here and we topped there, then definitely we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to close our CME gap at 77. There is a CME gap right now here as well, don't forget, yes. So on the 1 hour chart here, there is a CME between the 101K and 98K. So I'm gonna draw this here as well for the short bull run. So here we go. This is your CME gap between the 102 and here we go. Yeah, so basically this can be your wave 2. So after wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Closing all the CME gap in one impulse toward the downside, here it's gonna be your wave 2. Yep, so let's watch and see what's gonna happen for Bitcoin. On the 1 hour chart, I'm still looking for lower, of course, for a wave 5 anyway to finish this impulse. This is not a finished impulse, right? This is only a wave 3 right now. As you can see, the volume became the highest here, meaning this is your wave 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.